DeepSeek-V4-Flash provides a 1 million token context window and specialized agentic logic, capabilities that were previously accessible only behind proprietary paywalls. For a limited time, this full interface is open to the public at no cost. We are going to use this engine to analyze 1 million tokens of raw data and build fully autonomous coding workflows. To follow along, open your browser and gather your messiest, unstructured raw documents. We will build this together, click by click. Taking action today allows you to deploy an enterprise-grade system that competitors are currently paying hundreds of dollars a month to access. First, open the model directory in your browser. From the grid, locate and select the DeepSeek-V4-Flash model card. Next, check the pricing tab to verify the promotional expiration date. These release windows shift frequently, so it is important to know exactly how long the free access remains valid. This graphic shows the model's architecture. Notice how only 13 billion active parameters light up out of 284 billion total. This mixture of expert system activates only the specific parameters needed for the task, instead of processing the entire database. This specialized architecture is why the model can run massive workflows at high speeds without the typical compute costs. Step 1 is data digestion. Click the attachment icon and bulk upload your entire stack of raw transcripts or PDFs into the chat window. The 1 million token capacity allows the model to retain information from the very beginning of the document. Now, instruct the AI to analyze the transcripts to identify repeating patterns and extract the most common audience questions. Review the resulting output. The model has processed the chaotic raw text and isolated the core pain points into a clean, structured list. Command the AI to transform those extracted insights into a content plan and request the output strictly as a table for better organization. Generating entire content batches in a single prompt is the most efficient way to utilize this massive context window. Now that the data is organized, we can build automated tools. Describe the coding sequence you want to create in plain English. Trigger the workflow generation and let the model take over. It maps the Python steps autonomously. This is agentic logic in action. The model writes the sequential code and automatically advances to the next function without requiring you to manually trigger each line. True automation occurs when you shift from micromanaging individual code blocks to defining high-level operational goals. To handle more difficult logic, open the Settings menu and manually switch on Deep Thinking mode. Reserve this mode for your most complex coding jobs to save time. You must assign a specific role and format in every prompt. Precise instructions prevent the model from guessing your intent, which is where most AI failures begin. Watch the notification bell for the strict free tier rate limit of 10 requests per minute. You can navigate this limit by pacing your questions and combining several small prompts into a single comprehensive command. Operating free enterprise models requires discipline. Mastering these constraints separates casual users from those who build actual systems. When a prompt gives you a high-quality result, immediately copy the exact text that triggered it. Open an external notes application and paste this text to begin building your personal prompt library. This library becomes your ultimate leverage, turning a single success into a repeatable process you can deploy instantly in the future. Your standalone engine is now functional, but do not attempt to solve complex errors in isolation. Open the community dashboard to bypass the learning curve. You can download pre-built standard operating procedures and prompt packs from the resource library. Open the model interface right now, paste in your document, and start building your first workflow.